This 2021 Coachmen Northern Spirit Ultralight 2963BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used coachman is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, slide-out, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.